We're here with Olivia today. She was shadowing us and we're gonna just do a full body adjustment on her, kind of show you what that looks like. So, a few spots right through the mid-back, a little locked up. Good. Good here. Good. 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 Femur, just a couple spots, a little locked. Good there. Kind of got all the